Hi, this is RockinRobin. Today I'm on Hutchinson Island in Stuart, Florida. I'm doing something a little bit different, so stay with us. So I am at Locals Lanes. This is at 595 Northeast MacArthur Boulevard, just over the bridge. And the first thing you're going to notice is that you can sit outside if you want. So on a nice Florida night when it's not too hot, it's a great place to sit. Or you can go inside. You can get a drink or you can get a dining. And you can also do a little bit of duckpin bowling. First, I'm going to show you around the restaurant. It's very clean. It's brand new. They look very, very interesting place. I would say, you get a group together, have some dining or some hors d'oeuvres, play some duckpin bowling, have a couple drinks. It makes for a nice night out. Everything is really interesting here, and you can see over there is the duckpin bowling. Now the duckpin bowling, you do not need to take shoes with you because you're not on a real alley. It's just 10 feet long, so it's very short. It's not a regulation duckpin or any kind of bowling. It's just meant for fun, hanging around. The kids would love it because it's small and you really can't totally miss. You'll hit some at some time because it's very close by. And look, I love all the lights. I love the decorations. I thought this place was just so beautiful and so well done. Very, very nice. So I'm going to try and see what I can do. I had never played this before, and I'm used to a 41 foot bowling alley. So, hey, I have to make a start somewhere. That was my first one, and not too bad, not too great. In this competition, I was playing Rachel, so we'll see how she does. We bought some queso and nachos along with some Diet Cokes while we were playing, and I am going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you a quick peek at the menu. Here are the snacks and the shareables. Here is a variety of salads. Here are the handhelds. And there is even a small kids menu. If you like billiards, there is a small pool table. Let's get back to my bowling, which isn't very good. I did a little bit better on my second ball, but still not enough pins. How about we check out the arcade? You can see this used to be a bank, and this was the vault. So it was really cool that the arcade was in the vault, and it's all old kinds of games. So I really liked retro games. So now it's Rachel's turn to take a shot. Let's see how she does. Wow, almost a strike. Wow, it's hard to beat her. She's pretty good right there. So let's check out the score, see where I am at. And I am losing 27-15 after 2 frames. I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch up, but I'm going to keep giving it everything I got. Oh, I think I should have gotten better than that. After 3 frames, I was down 36-21. Good thing I don't take this game very seriously. It's just meant for fun, and it's a small little mini alley is what I want to call it. But it definitely is something that everyone can enjoy. So here we go again, and I think this is Rachel's turn. So after 6, I was losing 84-46, and I don't think I am going to be able to make a comeback here. But I want to show you the cool pictures on the wall before I show you the final results. And I was very happy at the end because look, I got a strike in the 8th frame and a spare in the 10th, but I still lost 138-100. Maybe next time I go there, I will have some better luck. But it was definitely a fun experience. I would definitely like to go back. Well, this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up. We have a lot of videos around Stewart and the Treasure Coast, so watch them all.